Welcome to a flavor-packed journey where health meets zest.
Today, we're diving into the world of spicy guacamole.
A delicious treat that's not just tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your health.
Firstly, spicy guacamole is a powerhouse of nutrients.
Avocados, its main ingredient, are loaded with heart-healthy.
Monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels.
Plus, they're rich in vitamins like K, C, E, and B6, and minerals like potassium and magnesium.
But what about the spicy part?
Well, adding chili peppers to your guacamole not only brings an exciting kick, but also boosts your metabolism.
Capsaicin, the compound that gives peppers their heat,
Is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties.
Moreover, spicy guacamole is a great weight management ally.
The healthy fats and fiber in avocados promote.
A feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating.
And let's not forget the eye health benefits.
Thanks to lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants found in avocados.
So, whether you're spreading it on toast, dipping your chips,
Or just enjoying it by the spoonful, spicy guacamole is more than a treat for your taste buds.
it's a boon for your overall health.
Dive into this spicy, creamy delight and give your body the gift of great taste and great health.